Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C., but our clients are all over the United States. We help them with all types of immigration cases. I would love to chat with you about your immigration case if you have any concerns. If you'd like to have a consultation with us, please call us at 703 348 1663. Again, 703 348 1663. We help with all types of immigration concerns and issues. I'm here today to just give general information about immigration, to teach you guys about maybe some options for immigration that you might not have been aware of, and maybe perhaps some questions, some concerns that you might have had. Provide information on that as well. Okay, if you're joining me for the first time, say hello, tell me where you're watching from. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney based in DC, but our clients are all over the United States. We help with immigration only, but all types of immigration cases. Okay, so I want to start off with our question of the day, which is usually something that I think will be helpful to you guys or to many people that are watching, okay? All right, so the first question, it comes up a lot, is I just filed my VAWA, and how long is it going to take? How long is my VAWA going to take to get approved? So the general time frame is around 2 years. It could be longer. So the USCIS is saying right now that it's going to take over 36 months. I think it's 36 months, about 3 years for the VAWA to be approved. Know that this is average processing time. Sometimes it takes less time, sometimes it can take more time, but that is what the government has put out right now. We have seen cases approved in 10 months. We have seen cases approved in 2 years, and we have seen cases that are still pending in 3 years. So just know that the government will issue a request for evidence if they need anything else. Our firm will check case status once a week, and we will let you know your case status every single week that you're working with us. So if it gets off track, we're going to know right away. If a request for evidence is issued, we're going to know right away, and we can let you know that too. Okay, so that is how long it takes for VAWA to be decided, but don't let that stop you. If you have a VAWA filed, it might take several years for it to be approved, but you can start seeing benefits right away. So if you filed for VAWA and a green card, you will receive a work authorization based on your pending green card application in about 6 months. Okay, if you file for VAWA and a green card, you might get a prima facie determination, and that can be in about 2 to 3 months. All right, so don't let that stop you from applying for VAWA. You're going to see benefits almost right away. Okay, I hope that is helpful to you guys. Give us a call if we can help you with a consultation. You can reach us at 703 348 1663. Again, 703 348 1663. All right. Again, if you guys are joining me, we're streaming live on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok. That's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. And I'm here to provide responses to some general immigration questions. If you have any, please go ahead and put them in the chat here. If you want to talk more about your case, call us and we will do a confidential consultation. We can do the consultation by phone, by Zoom, or in person. So Zoom is the preferred way for most people. The consultation is with me. I am an immigration attorney, and we can talk to you about your immigration concerns. We can go over your immigration history and do all of that. Okay? All right. I'm not sure what you're referring to here. Okay. We're looking at some of the questions here. Oh, this is great. So Mr. Harvey or Miss Buntu, I'm not sure, shared this post with others, shared this live with others. So I'm going to encourage you to do that. If you have friends or family that might be interested in immigration, this is an opportunity for them to join in and learn about immigration as well. So please go ahead and do that as well if you can. Okay. All right. We have many people here joining. Let's see. Hi, Andrea. Hi, Jose. Hi, Kamini, Balinder, Chosen. Great. Awesome. All right. So the next question I want to jump to is it possible to file a VAWA petition if your I-130 application is denied? Is it possible to file VAWA petition if I-130 has been denied. I-130 is based on your spouse willing to sponsor you for a green card, right? Many times an abusive spouse will intentionally sabotage that I-130 petition. So it's actually not very uncommon for me to have a client who is applying for VAWA who had started off applying for a green card with their spouse, and that spouse either withdrew that petition or went into the interview and was not cooperating or didn't even show up for the green card interview as a way to control and harm the person that's applying for a green card. So many times they do qualify for a VAWA self-petition. If you know somebody in that situation, I would highly, highly, highly encourage you to have them talk to an attorney, because they may be able to pursue that green card on their own without the help of their spouse. Call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Great. China App says, do I put battered spouse on an 864W if I'm a battered mother of a USA child? So you don't even need an affidavit of support for a VAWA petition. So I'm not sure what you're applying for, China. So you don't need an affidavit of support for the VAWA self-petition. You want to apply if you're a battered mother or a battered spouse, right? If you're a battered mother, you wouldn't put battered spouse. But you don't need an affidavit of support, so I'm not sure what exactly you are doing. I would highly recommend you to work with an attorney if you're filing for a VAWA benefits, right? Because this is a little bit more of a complicated case. You want to provide strong evidence up front. You want to make this case go as smoothly as possible. If you can avoid a request for evidence, that will be a little bit faster in your case, right? But give us a call if we can help you, China. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. You can reach me at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And you can also go to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can go to our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and you can schedule a consultation from there. Okay? Perfect. I hope that was helpful to you, China. Manny says, hi, ma'am, my asylum was denied in 2018. I married a U.S. citizen. How do I get my asylum case dismissed or terminated as I came in 2011? Great, Manny. That's a great question. So what we want to do, what I would recommend for you is if you apply for something, well, it depends, right? So you may not be able to move forward with family-based sponsorship, but you might qualify for something like VAWA. If you qualify for VAWA, for example, based on marriage to a U.S. citizen, that means that you can fix your status while you're here in the United States. So what I would do is I would apply for VAWA if you qualify, of course. Once it's approved, then we would reopen proceedings in immigration court and terminate proceedings in immigration court. Okay? Give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA and your green card. You might qualify. We want to make sure that you're eligible before we suggest something like that to make sure that makes sense for you in your current situation. Give us a call, and you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States in all types of immigration cases, including VAWA, family green cards, business cases as well. All right. Nicola. Hello, Nicola says, I've been waiting on my VAWA for over 41 months, right? I've been waiting on my VAWA for over 41 months. That's a long time. The current processing time is about that time, so I would think that you would be hearing soon. You can always follow up. You can write a letter to the service center that's processing your case, usually the Vermont Service Center, and you can ask what's going on with your case. It's been pending for so long, so you could submit an inquiry, or you can write a letter to the Vermont Service Center asking them about your case. The other options are perhaps if you work with an attorney, the attorneys have a special email that's used for VAWA cases. And if the attorney is on record for your VAWA case, they can email and ask those same questions over email to the VAWA hotline. Okay, give us a call if we can help you with that. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if we can help you. Okay. China says she's going to concurrently file. We don't usually file those forms with what you're doing, China. Okay. Call us if you'd like a consultation. You probably need a little bit of advice on what to file and what the evidence is. It's not just one thing that goes into something like VAWA. It is a pattern of abuse. So you want to make sure that you're covered and you're not applying for something, especially if you're out of status, that might get you in trouble later on, right? So give us a call if we can help. 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. My spouse filed custody over my child. Is it going to impact my VAWA application, right? My spouse filed custody for my child. Is it going to impact my VAWA application? So custody falls into family law. So that isn't going to impact your VAWA case. If there's negative facts in there about your good moral character, about your ability to, about the way you behaved with your children, right? That could perhaps impact good moral character. But for the most part, it is not going to have an immigration impact on your case, okay? Give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Please make sure you like us and follow us on our social media platforms. And hopefully you will be notified when I go live. We're right now on Facebook, on YouTube, and on TikTok, streaming live. We also have a presence on Instagram, so check us out on there as well. These are our streaming platforms. I'm on here frequently to provide just some general information about immigration, and hopefully you find these helpful. If you're joining me for the first time, say hello, tell me where you're watching from, and I would love to chat with you more about your case. If you want to call us or schedule a consultation, you can do that at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, great. Let me scroll through and see what other questions you guys have. Elish says hello. Hi, Elish. If you guys want to shout out, say hi. Do you guys expedite VAWA cases? Neil says, do you expedite VAWA cases? You can't really expedite VAWA cases. It's not really an option. So premium processing is available for some business cases, so employment-based cases. But for the most part, you can't really expedite VAWA cases because everybody that is applying for a VAWA is sort of in a tough situation, right? So I just want to let you know that it's usually not possible. We can always send a request and say that you may need an expedited work permit. Maybe that's something that we can help you get, right? Because you're having specific financial hardship. But just know that most people with VAWA cases don't actually, they're all in a difficult situation. So it's hard to distinguish one from the other. Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Great. Harpreet says, hi, my VAWA was approved. Congratulations. I received an RFE for a 693. When will I hear from USCIS? So 693 is just your medical. So hopefully you should hear from the government very soon as you respond to the RFE. Usually that means they're reviewing your case, so they should be able to get back to you pretty quickly. Okay? If you want to reach us for a consultation, I would love to chat with you about your VAWA case. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Awesome, guys. I think I got to most of your questions today. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you share this post with your friends or some family that might be interested in immigration. If you want to be notified when I go live, please follow us and like us on our social media. I would love to chat with you one-on-one about your immigration case and see how we can help you in this journey. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Bye.